start increasing the size of the person, start fattening the person. So how it is possible? How it is possible? Okay, every day you are keeping 10 eggs in the basket, eggs, 10 eggs in the basket. But by evening you are taking only 9. You are keeping one out of 10 within the basket only. If you repeat this process, so for some 1 month or 2 months or 365 days, automatically what will happen? Your basket is going to overflow with full of eggs. The same thing required to be happen for your empty purse also, for your lean purse also. Okay, what you require to do? Yes, don't spend the total. Don't spend the total. Pay for yourself at least 10%. At least 10% is compulsory. If you want to create your wealth, I want to create wealth. Okay, I want to become rich. The first biggest thing what you require to do? Yes, so pay yourself at least 10%. Compulsory you require to pay. If you are not going to pay, if you are using your total money in the expenses only, in so-called needs, but really desires, wishes, okay, dreams, like if you are using total money to fulfill your dreams, to fulfill your wishes, to fulfill your desires, so-called desires, then you never become rich. So the person who is going to separate at least 10% from his income, that is the first step for your wealth creation. Sir, this month, I have marriage in my own house. My family function, man. Struggling like anything, 1 rupee. At this critical time, how I can separate? How I can separate? At this critical time, how I can separate? Yeah. If you are not having that discipline in your lifetime, you never become rich. Wealth is not going to be created. Just a simple, sir. In any case, in any situation, irrespective of my problems, irrespective of my current situation, anything, I'm always going to separate at least 10% for my future wealth creation. Yes, this is the system I'm going to follow. This is not my vision. If I have motivation, then I will do that. No such type of thing. You are getting the money, 10% is not yours. 10% is for your future. You are separating, you are saving. Remember that. So the person knows this point, but the person won't follow this point. He never become rich. He can't create wealth. Remember this one. In his lifetime, today what financial problems, today what financial struggles he is facing, until his lifetime he has to face the same, not only this person, so total family, because based on the family head only, the remaining things will be there, right? So not only his case, his total family also required to struggle because you are not following wealth creation rules.